Welcome to Internet Tutors. Today in this video, I am going to explain about ITIL explain simply what is it and why it's matter today. Are you wonder to know how the top companies are running their IT services without failure? Whole secret lies within the framework which is called ITIL. If you know the ITIL concept, definitely you are going to deliver the IT services without the failure. If your IT teams are feel busy but not productive, ITL can change everything. It helps the global brand or business key player to deliver IT service. Please watch this video for till end for getting the maximum benefit. It will reduce the IT chores, cut and cost by improving the service quality by learning the system. This skill will help to going to help in the IT career to grow your career. If you want to know how the top companies like IBM, TCS, Infosys, and Wipros are managing their IT services, ITL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It is understood as globally accepted IT services framework which helps or aid the organization to design, manage, support, and improve their IT service to the business clients. So let us see the concept IT service management cycle. So design IT service. You have a creative, effective IT solution, manage IT services, oversee an IT operation, support IT service, provide assistance and troubleshooting, approve IT service, enhance efficiency and quality. So you have to always design IT services, manage IT services, support IT services, and improve IT services. This is of the IT service management cycle because this is very crucial for the person who are in the IT industries who are totally depending on the IT services work, just like IBM, Infosys, Accenture. Every top MNCs are providing their service to the client. So this concept must be known to you because once you understood this concept, you will going to deliver the service within the time frame. Other, if you are not able to deliver the service to the time frame, your job will be also in the risk factor and you have to pay to the client because you are representing some company or some vendor which under the some company organization. So let us understand with the help of example. IT is a big system with many subparts like server, network, hardware, software, security, and people. Because many of the people in the server also, if the people are working in the server, network, hardware, software, security, and any other thing. So you should know the IT you should know the ITL in order to understand the service concept within the prescribed time. Suppose if any ticket, suppose S3 ticket has been raised, so it has to be closed within 2 hours and 4 hours. If any SR tickets raised, so it has been to be closed within 24 hours or 48 hours. If any work order should be request is raised, so it should be closed within 72 hours. If any downtime is fixed, then it should be raised within it should be fixed within 6 to 7 hours. So like this, some time frame is there. So if you are meeting the time frame, then your performance is well. If you are not meeting the time frame, your performance is not. Someone in the top, some your manager, some your reporting manager will see the performance because the IT industry, the people are seeing the performance of the candidate. If the performance is good, then there is no cost cutting is there. You should continue or you will shift it to from one project or you will should be continuing in that if you are having a strong technicals. So definitely your job will be in the same position. Otherwise, you will going to transfer from one location to another location. This happening in the IT industry. It helps that organization to reduce these mistakes, improve the best service delivery, and make sure that the technology which actually support the business goal. So whatever this framework is already designed, I have told you that in order to get the service very well to the client. So because you have to, if from our side, if we are technical engineer or if we are a manager and anything, team leader, you should have to reduce the mistake in order to deliver the service to the client. That's why your job will be safer, your promotion will be guaranteed, your performance bonus will be guaranteed, your annual hike will be guaranteed by this only. So every company who want to create its own and regulation for the proper functioning, if it provides a tested and well structured approach with the help of companies are following. Why it is important? IT system improvement cycle, implement a standard, establish guideline for IT operation, ensure proper functioning, maintain smooth operation of IT components, reduce mistake, minimize error in IT processes, improve service delivery, enhance the quality of IT service, align with business goal, ensure IT support uh, business objective. IT system improvement cycle is basically meant for improve the performance of the IT system, because what happened if some work is designed to be completed within 7 or 8 hours, but it is not able to deliver the service within 7 to 8 hours. It is takes to within 7 days. So it must be out of demand, so that person actually work will be not recognized by, because if you are so much having a technical skills also, if you are having a well knowledge of ITL also, but if you are not able to deliver the project within the time schedule, then definitely your performance will be in the downfall. So how much talented you are does not matter, you have to deliver the service within the time. Because in the IT industries, what the happen, the people are lacking seeing that if the person are having a good technical skills and he can replace 10 people, so one people will be job will be safer and the 10 people job will be thrown out, because this is how the IT organization is cost cutting the company. So you have to improve yourself in order to understand the proper functioning. Means in order to understand the proper function, you should have a good knowledge of the work and understanding of the work. Because what happened in the company, simply you don't have to work, you have to understand the processes behind it. You have all the processes, all the work should be in the mind, because they do not want to delay, because they want smart people who work very hard and within a time, minimize error in IT. Because if the people who are having a good understanding of this concept, so they can reduce the mistakes and error in IT processes, improve service delivery. Means you have to always enhance the quality, because manager are seeing that the below team leaders are performing the quality of IT service to the client. Employees are also providing the quality of the time. If their service, if their performance is good, then they are continue in the organization. Other there was any PIP must be raised, or any bench they are sending people to the bench. Because after some time, because this is happening in the IT organization, if you are having a degree also no matter, you are having more certification also no matter, if your performance is good, then you don't have a degree, you don't have a certification, then also your job will be survive. So this is happening in IT industry. Align with business goal, ensure IT supports business objectives. Because you have to understand all the business objective in order to support the IT support operations. Business are totally relying on the technology for everything. Job diversity from customer support, billing, communication, automation, app, and much more. Impact of IT services failed, which result into the customer suffer and companies or business are losing the money. So whichever domain you are working, whether you are in the customer support, you are in doing billing, communication, automation, so all have to same thing is ITL is required. ITL understanding is required. Because anything they are, if the marketing people are also providing service, customer service person are also, see now what happened in nowadays, because CS works are now automated by AI. Agent are working in front of uh, in place of what, that CS person. ITL will focus on, it will improve the service quality, it will reduce the downtime, it help to manage the risk, it will lower the unnecessary IT cost, it will ensure the fast and better customer support. It will help to create the clear issues for handling the issues. What does it actually doing? It covers the entire life cycle of IT services, which are starting from planning to delivery. Below are the some of the key ideas. So this is are the IT benefits. You have to always improve the service quality in IT industries, because people manager, your reporting managers are observing your service quality, and you have to reduce the downtime. Means any fault in the system, any whenever you are designing the system, you are building the system should be stable. There should not be any bug raised or any by your customer or that people who are facing running the using that system. Risk management, that you have to understand the risk when you are designing or you are creating the system. There in advance you have to think like that there should not be any risk management. Okay, if there is lower IT cost, means always companies are hiring that people who are having a lot of technical knowledge, lot of understanding knowledge, and they are very fast to deliver the service. That person they are looking, so they can fast, whether they are in the building the query, they can write a query within 5 to 10 seconds. How much if that, suppose, see, in the cost cutting, what happen if 5 person are there, if one person is writing a query within 5 minutes, another person is writing a query in 10 minutes, third person is query writing is a 15 minutes, and fourth person is like in 20 minutes, and fifth person is writing the query, same query in 25 to 5 minutes person will be preference by the manager. That person job will be not be replaced by that fourth person, and all the fourth person will be thrown out of the exam, because they did not require any, and all the four-person salary will cater to that first person, because he's so smart. See, he's capable of doing a time. This happening in the IT industry, friend. So clear issue handling means you should have the elite in front of you. Any situation are coming, you are very smart enough to handle the issue quickly. That type of person people manager are seeing. People manager, whenever they ask the interviewer question, they are observing that all the question that the candidate are able to answer within the time or not, because they are seeing that person depth of knowledge, technical knowledge. By that only they are hiring that candidate. I hope that you have understood this slide. We are going to move to the next slide. Service strategy. Under this, we have to understand the business needs or requirement and design the IT services accordingly. See, service strategy are always doing from one type to another type. We suppose if their service strategy something different as comparison to in 2024 or 25 and 26, because whatever the development and whatever the emerging technologies are evolving, so according to this, whichever the technology will meet the business needs or requirement and try to deliver the right service, so that technology service strategy will be considered. Service design, we must plan the architecture, tool, process, and workflow. Suppose the Java service design, that application is not proper functioning. She is taking so much, but the Python is taking a less amount of time and less of amount of coding than Java. So Python will be favorable in their application. So this type of things is happening in this IT industry. I am trying to explain you with the help of example, so you can understand and your concept should be clear. Not simply memorizing the pride will be happen. See, you should know while I try to speak in front of you, you should understand the service transition. We under this, we are safely releasing the new IT services or doing changes. You are whenever you are seeing the Android application, every time within 6 months or 1 year, that Android version is updated. Why this happening is there? Because in the to provide the new IT services which provide more, build more trust according to for the customer point of view. Customer are more satisfied. That's why happened the Google are releasing that version of that is Chrome every 6 months or 1 year, like that. Service operation, under this we are handling the day-to-day activities of organization like support, incident, and monitoring. See, in the DVD tool, or what happened, the people are actually that business are raising the incident, work order, SR, S3 ticket, S2 ticket, S1 ticket. Okay. So all the tickets are monitored. Basis on the priority tickets are more preferred and the teams are working that. If high priority tickets are there, then team have to look them and close them, because people manager are or above manager are just taking a follow-up from that, and according if their performance is good, then their performance appraisal and their incentives will be also given. Otherwise they will not give, because they are not working. That's why continual improvement, under this we are continuously reviewing the performance of IT services and upgrading the new services. What happened, every system, whatever the system which has been designed in 2025, now the new system will be designed in 2026, because we have to improve the performance. Suppose the performance of IT services in 2025 95, and if we are going to launch the new IT services in 2026 and the performance is like 96 or 97%, then we have to upgrade the new services. It emphasizes all services which are well planned in the correct way. Changes will be carried out smoothly, problems are fixed well quickly, and customer will be getting high quality services in the stable manner. So people are always see whatever the services they have to plan in the correct way, because service should be, any changes in the services should be smoothly, problem are fixed quickly, because customer which are relying on the high quality services, they should get appropriate services in the stable manner. So achieving high quality IT services are displayed with this diagram. So first point is that service strategy, understanding business needs and designing IT service design, planning architecture tools, process and workflows. Third is service transition, saving releases, new IT services or making changes, service operation, handling day-to-day activities like support and monitoring. Fifth is a continual improvement, reviewing performance and upgrading services. Benefits of ITIL for company. It will deliver more efficient IT operation where the team are working as for a standard process. It will deliver the better user satisfaction where issues are resolved faster. It will deliver the low cost by reducing the wastage of unnecessary tasks. It will deliver the clear communication where everyone are knowing their responsibilities. It will deliver the fewer services outright where the problem are prevented because before they are getting occurred. It will deliver the better alignment where the IT goals support the business goal directly. Above benefit explain about the ITL are used in the bank, telecom companies, hospital, software companies, government department, and many global brands. See, if you are ITL is just like so you can say that any telecom company, banking company, hospital, software company, government department, any global brand, because they required a proper service within time. So that this ITL knowledge is required in every day, domain, whether it belong to the public sector or the private sector. It will deliver the better alignment where the IT goals support the business goal directly. It deliver the few service outages where the problem are prevented before they are getting occurred. Okay, because what happened, the communication should be very clear, because by doing this knowledge and cost cutting, see, because people are very smart to reduce their cost. If one person is taking to so much time to deliver a service, then their cost should not be maintained, because suppose that one people for the project are providing a solution within 1 month, and another person is providing a solution within 2 weeks, and another person is providing a solution in 7 weeks, another person is providing a solution in 3 days. So 3 days person will be more preferred by the IT companies. That's why they are throwing all the old resources, because they are very comfortable with the system, and they are always depending on the fresher to work hard, and they are just sitting because they are just doing the brainstorming thing. They are knowing the process, and that below person are working hard in order to that. So if that person is not updated with the general knowledge and the process changing process knowledge and good, that their cost will be no, because company are always in the annual bosses, they are just eliminating the cost. They have to fix that the budget, so they will not provide you cost beyond the budget. So this type of elimination is happening, so you have to prepare and make you advance in a so much manner, then your job will be saved. ITL benefits overview: user satisfaction, faster issue resolution, and improved performance. Clear communication, defined roles and responsibility. Business alignment, IT goals directly support business objectives. Fewer outages, proactive problem prevention, cost reduction, minimize weight and unnecessary tasks. Efficient operation, streamlined process for better performance. See what happened. The people are looking for the efficient operation, means whatever the process, many process are there in the industries, because they are looking the smart person who are able to recall a process, all the complex process within short time for the better performance. I hope that this point is clear to you. Cost reduction, minimize waste and necessary service, means suppose the company are not giving you so much time to learn and practice. They are required that person who is practice well advanced, and when they are given a task, they are able to finish within 2 hours or 1 hours as soon as possible, then their job is safe. That's why this is happening is right now in the I global area of I, because they require the quick people. Fewer outages, proactive problem prevention, means once the problem is came in front of them, they are able to understand before that problem coming, and they're providing quick solution. That type of person is required in IT service domain. User satisfaction, faster resolution. If person is understanding this issue is there, this resolution is there within second, that type of person is required. So this, by this, improved service will be happen. Clear communication, because person who is having a good communication skill and good mind giving capabilities are more preferred in the IT industries. If you are honest, then your job is not rescue, because any mind game people are going to take your job, because they are having a smart and they are know the managerial skills to move you. So that person job will save and your job will be not saved. Business alignment. IT goals directly support business objectives. Benefits for career. ITL can open the door for job like IT service manager, change manager, problem manager, service desk lead, and operational manager. If you are having a good knowledge of any certification of ITL certified, then this type of role, change manager, problem manager, service desk lead, operation manager, are preferred. If you are working in job role like technical support, IT operation, service desk, networking, cloud, cybersecurity, DevOps, development, knowing ITL make you more valuable, because company prefer those employee who understand how the IT service should run. Any domain, any type of domain, you should know the ITL concept, whether you are from cybersecurity, cloud, networking, or service desk, development, every in is testing, anything, you have to provide the solution to the client within that time. Summary: it is the best, it is the set of best service for IT service management. It helps companies or MNC to plan, deliver, and improve its IT service. It reduces the failure risk, improve the customer satisfaction, ensure that IT support no business need. Knowledge will boost your career and help you to work in the structured manner. Benefits of ITL for career advancement, job opportunity. If you are having a certification of ITL, then more HR will be called for your job increase. Increase value. If you are having a certification of ITL, then increased value will be there. If you're having best practices, means you have to do more practices. Risk reduction means you should not do any mistakes while working in the project. Customer satisfaction means whatever you are working, then end user, end customer should be satisfied with your work, that is happy with your work. If you are smart also, you are capable of knowledge also, but you are not making happy that to the business, then definitely your job is not will same, and any incentive, any bonuses, any money, any salary appraisal will be not done by your manager. Business needs, you should know the business need, because structure work means you have to always do the work in the structured way. Suppose if you are called by your manager, you have to work 9 to 6 hours, then you should be before 9 hour, before 9 o'clock, okay? But after a 6 o'clock, if you just do the job after 6 o'clock, then your job will be saved by your manager, because manager are looking that person only who are not seeing the time, who are just doing the dedicated person. They are seeing that dedicated person, honest person, a smart person, and highly good communication, means any trouble they can handle the voice within a sweet manner. They can handle the situation in a diplomatic manner, in an ethical manner, not in a non-ethical manner, okay? I hope that this concept is clear to you, because I am just taking this seminar, why I am taking making this video, because I have seen industry people from not having a technical domain, just having a ITL certification, they are promoted to the service deliver manager. I hope that you just try to do, if you are interested to work in the IT service operation work, just do the certification of ITL. I will going to take you all type of video. I will make all type of videos from beginning to end. I will give you all the practice I to get a certification in ITIL. Please try to subscribe my video. Please try to like my video, follow my video, and share as much as possible the person who is truly interested in learning. Thank you for watching this video.